this whole dance in the kitchen the other day.
Welcome to the MDR House. I'm Renee Clark.
And I'm Kevin Clark.
And we have some really exciting news to share.
See, we've been selected to host a national TV show with Emmy-nominated producers about lifestyle and real estate in our community.
That's right. In August, we will be completing our first episode right here in southern Wisconsin that will debut in September.
And this is not some fake reality TV show either. It's going to be a fun and positive show focused on real people and real activities in our southern Wisconsin communities.
For the first time or the 10th time, you're definitely going to find something you love. Hi, and welcome to the American Dream. We're your Southern Wisconsin hosts, Kevin and Renee Clark.
And Janesville has shown a commitment to revitalizing its downtown area. There's beautiful scenery, some amazing shops, and great restaurants. And we're here to give you a glimpse of a few of our favorites.
Let's start with a great cup of coffee.
That sounds perfect. Let's do that.
Let's go.
the night before moving day, and all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse.
The contracts were signed, the inspections were done, in hopes that your dream home would soon be the one.
The listings were chosen with great care in hopes that the right buyer would soon be there.
With visions of closing dates in their head, the sellers and the buyers had nothing to dread. When out on the lawn, there arose such a chatter. It was my clients arriving to see what's the matter.
Out to the porch, I flew in a dash, with brochures in hand and ready to splash.
The moonlight reflected on the roof so pristine, gave glow to the yard, a picture-perfect scene.
When what to my wondering client should appear, but a sold sign in place.
It was finally here!
Hello friends, we are so excited for this Friday night to see you at the MDR House for the 6th annual Christmas Mingle. We are Matt and Susie. We're going to be your fearless holiday carol leaders that night. We're just going to give you a little sneak peek of one of the carols that we're going to sing together on Friday night. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and in case you didn't hear, oh by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas.